Hello.
Hello, hi,
Yeah, Samrat.
hi. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Okay, okay,
What's the
okay. So
topic?
where are you from?
I'm from West Bengal. Do you want to
Yeah,
discuss about the topic?
yeah. Definitely, I want to discuss about topic. So
Tell
let's discuss about the topic of corporate
tell me
company.
about an unforgettable eat out moment with friends.
Okay, okay.
Unforgettable eat out moment with friends.
Friends. Friends are friends.
Unfor-
Un,
Unforgettable eat out moment.
unforgettable,
Yeah,
unforgettable eat out moments.
moment with.
And we have changed. Don't worry, we will discuss another topic.
Yeah, yeah. So I'm from West Bengal. What about you? Where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from India. Yeah, I'm from Haryana.
Okay, okay, okay. Haryana, Punjab, right? Next to each
Correct,
other.
correct.
Okay, okay.
So
So,
let's discuss about the education. What do you think?
Indian education,
Ah,
education
that's
system. Yeah, it's like new subjects should be added, like in this education system, like finance, how to earn money.
mm,
Yeah, like in the school system, it should be there. What do you think? How can we make the education system better? What do you think?
okay. Education system better. Yeah. So nowadays I am seeing that government are working on education system. Education system has. You are right. There are there are some portions of syllabus has changed. Students are learning very well, and and I think it is a good thing because if I talk about we was studied in previous days. So we was studied almost uh, historical portion. We don't get learn. But nowadays students are learning. So
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
student system day to day improve.
Yeah, and there are like so many different like schools. One school like English should be more important like in the
Yeah, yeah, English.
schools. So
Yes, you're right. Yeah, there are some doing partiality in school.
yeah, so you are
Government.
learning English. So is there any specific reason to learn English?
Yes, man. Yeah, I want to learn English to get a job.
Like do you have a plan, like I want to get this job, like do you have you made your mind like I want this job?
Yeah, yeah, I have a plan. Yeah, I will do job in corporate. Biggest corporate MNC type.
Yes, yes.
So as you know very well, okay, they demand from employees English because you cannot
MNC.
talk in Hindi.
Yeah, MNC
MNC like
is
multinational company. Multinational
multinational.
company.
Yeah, like which company? Google.
Actually, it is a private company, but it has a branches in out of the areas like abroad, Chicago, Europe side.
Is
There is a
it
branch.
is it an Indian company?
Yeah, is it in India? Because my friend are also doing job in MNC. So they tell me ki you have to work on your English. Then I will refer you to
Okay,
come in
okay.
my company.
That is good.
That's why I'm learning English.
Yeah, yeah. How long have you been learning English for?
Yeah, I have been learning English since 2 months.
Okay, okay, okay. And your English is
What
already
about
pretty
you?
good. Already pretty good. Your English. Into
Not much. Yeah, I'm working. What is your what is your reason to learn English? Do
uh,
you also have a plan?
I don't know. No, my why am I learning English? It, like with English, you can have conversations with people from different countries. Okay, and I like to watch Hollywood
Okay,
movies. So these things are read books.
okay,
It's,
okay, okay.
these
Okay.
things.
So do you have no plan to go abroad?
I want to go to abroad,
That's
but I don't have any company in my mind as of now.
okay.
So like, what's the name of the company?
Okay.
No,
Yeah,
no,
there are lots of companies.
no, no. Which
You will
company do you
search
want to join
private,
to?
public, listed. While you will search on Google, then you will get lot of companies.
Yeah.
Private, public.
What about you? Which company do you want to work for?
Hmm. Like you, the company name is Comviva. Do you know? It is a MNC company.
What does
Yeah,
it
it is
do?
situated in Gurugram.
What does it do?
Okay. 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 First. So actually, it is a IT based company,
Okay.
but mm, but there are some portion with legal department, and I'm a student of legal profession. I'm
Mm-hmm.
pursuing CS company secretary course, and I'm in final year.
Okay.
So I will, if the company will hire me, so I will do work as a law compliance.
Okay.
Like I will tell to company ki how to make the law, how if company want to raise fund, so I can give advice to company ki you has to follow this type of procedure, then you can raise fund, and you have to filing annual return to authority like ROC.
Yeah.
If company
Okay.
want to declare dividend, in that case I will write to company.
Ah.
I
Okay.
will
Okay.
tell it the law. So
Okay.
basically my work is law portion if I will do job in that company. But actually
That's
that company is totally based on IT.
IT company. Like
The IT company
it
totally.
makes like softwares,
Right,
apps.
right.
Yes. Okay.
Software. Okay,
Mm.
okay. Okay, man. Our time is
Okay.
going.
So
Bye.
you're from Haryana, right? Okay. Okay. Bye. Bye.
Yes, plan. Yes. Yeah, we will meet again. Let's see.
Yeah.